conversations on social media have increased immensely as consumers continue to share their opinions on social networks and mainstream media. Brands and businesses across the globe are well aware of the need for social data to operate with informed brand strategy. Total worldwide population in January 2019 was 7.7 billion. 4.2 billion people use internet. 3.397 billion people use social media. 91% of retail brands use 2 or more social media channels. 81% of all small and medium businesses use some kind of social platform. Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp handle 60 billion messages a day. This makes it almost impossible for organizations to track mentions of their brand or services. What is social listening? Social listening is all about monitoring and collecting data from social platforms and forums, and analyzing online conversations about a brand, a specific topic, competitors or anything else that's relevant to an organization. It provides actionable insights which can impact business operations, product updates, and advertising approaches positively. How can high-tech help? We firmly believe that efficient social listening goes well beyond social monitoring mentions. Our social listening experts use sophisticated technology to observe conversations round the clock. We provide actionable insights and help you build favorable relationships with your customers and a superior service experience. What are the benefits of social listening? Identify and follow up on sales leads by answering questions of potential customers about a product or identifying mentions that they are considering buying a new product. Respond to customer complaints promptly and professionally, as customers judge brands by how they respond to complaints about poor products and services on social media. Finding, amplifying and repurposing user-generated content including posts, photos, videos and praise of products, as consumers trust recommendations of other consumers and influencers more than brands. How do we help you to use social listening for your business? Gain market intelligence to keep pace with rapidly changing markets by quickly identifying market issues, concerns and preferred product features. Gain competitive intelligence through social listening including data on competitors' product development, marketing strategies, product positioning, key customers, and public relations activities. Product development and improvement by measuring product's success and consumer reactions to determine product shortcomings based on social media conversations.